Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a contact on Proton Mail, for instance to convert a sender into a contact and to add it to your contact list here on Proton Mail. It is very simple, so let us guide you through this. Head over to your inbox on Proton Mail, go through your list of emails in your inbox, and you may use simply your sender's email address to convert the given sender into a contact and to add it to your contact list so that you may send the given contact your own emails and messages later without entering the email address over and over again. So simply pick the email from the given sender, and after that you will see the sender name here at the top with the email address. So what you want to do is click into the email address. That is going to open up that window or menu below. So here you may, for instance, create a new message to send to that address, or copy that email address here, block the given user, or get an overview of all messages sent from this sender. Or simply click on Create New Contact here to convert the given sender into a new contact. So enter the name here, the last name, the display name. You may upload a picture if you like. Here you will see the email address of the given sender. It will be automatically copied and pasted so that you don't have to do it. But you may customize it, of course, or delete it and add a different one if you like. You may add a primary email, like for instance homework and so on. You may add a phone number, physical address, birthday, additional information, and so on and so forth. We may skip all of that now and simply confirm by clicking on Save here. And that is going to create the new contact. And that's basically it. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.